Welcome to DK's Follies. I thought I should give a very quick update and what we are doing right now. Actually, the power went out due to some problem in the electric supply system. So, obviously, there was no pumps running, and it had been more than an hour or so. So, what I did was I just placed the system outside, and I have just started giving it some water in slow speed from the hose pipe. So it is fresh water coming in, as you can see, and then it is cycling through the water bed and it is going inside the fish area. And let me show you the what we are doing with the plastic bucket aquarium. Here in plastic bucket aquarium, we have removed a lot of water, like half of the plastic bucket, and then we are just using this bucket placed in elevation and siphoning water through this small tube into the bucket, and as it is falling, it is creating some bubbles and everything, and thus creating oxygenation of water, and is going through. Hope electricity comes back soon. It has been 4 hours since electricity is gone, and more than an hour or so since the auxiliary power supply UPS is gone. So we are doing it the expedient way. I hope everybody will know what to do when their power is out and they have no thing to do with their support of their aquariums and their aquaponic system. They can just start this system and try to save the lives of their fish. It does both removal of nitrogenous waste and also the oxygenation of water for fish. I hope electricity comes back soon. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching DK's Follies. Goodbye.